Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable auto rotate screen setting in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disable guys this auto rotate setting, so how can you disable in your Infinix phone? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all guys we will have to turn on guys our phone setting to disable auto rotate setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your display brightness setting guys, click here. Again you scroll guys, you can see guys your auto update setting guys. Right side you can see guys this icon on your screen guys. So you will have to click on guys this icon, you will have to tap here, then guys your auto screen will disable, and guys you can see guys your screen will not rotate automatic. So like that guys, you can disable your auto rotate setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye.